everyone. My name is Jessica Nathani Miselin. I'm from group 9, 8B class. Today, I'm going to show you how to make small hampers bag using paper cups. First of all, please prepare the tools and material that will be used, such as paper cup, scissors, staplers, and ribbon. Second, cut the top of the glass. And then put the contents of the gift, such as candy, chocolate, dessert, or small knick-knack into the glass. After that, bend both sides of the top of the glass toward the middle until they close together. Then, open it again and insert the glass trim into the glass. And fold it back. Then, use staplers to lock the bag so that the handles don't move and the fold don't open. If you want to add decoration, you can add ribbon or other decoration that you like. And then, finally, the small hampers bag is ready. Well, that's all from me. I hope these tips are useful for you. Thank you for your attention and good morning everyone.